This is the Happy Feet Mumble tap dancing toy. It's from 2006 from Happy Feet movie. If you have any memories from it, leave it in your comments. Okay, here he goes.
So what you need to do is you open up the back, then you flip the power switch to play.
Watch this.
And it sings and dances. And it does need this iceberg to dance. And it's voice activated, so if you talk by it, it'll turn on.
And it tap dances.
Hey Mamba.
Fish, fish, wish, wish. Yummy in my tummy.
It's voice activated, so you're able to say anything.
Hey, watch this.
So it's over 20 years old and it still works just fine.
Hello?
I like to be spontaneous. Hello, hello.
Mumbles.
Hi, I'm Mumble. I can't sing, but I like to dance.
How do you sing that song again?
Watch this.
Big rough neck respect to all the bad boy and all the bad boy too. Cause I'm a look at the past, so it pass goes like a volcanic eruption. Ribbit! About jump on, move on, jump on, move on, jump on, move on, stop, follow me. Jump on, move on, jump on, move on, jump on, move on, stop, no. Jump on, move on, jump on, move on, jump on, move on, stop.
So he's pretty fun.
Fish, fish, wish, wish. Yummy in my tummy.
Lots of phases
Hi,
and dancing.
I'm Mumble. I can't sing, but I like to dance.
And he has the on and off switch on the back.
I don't know. My feet are too happy.
So if it gets too creepy, you can turn them off.
And there he is. And he's really, really, really heavy. And that would be him.